In this video, we will walk through about new and old UI about the OmniStudio components. Also, we will see which org you are supposed to try for business rule engine practice. Let me show you all these things in org itself. We have three scenarios. Let's go one by one. Now, this is the free developer org which I created almost a year back. Okay, so in this org, if I go to the setup and find OmniStudio settings, I will have one option here, manage package designer. Currently it's a disable. Okay, so if I try to open this DR, it's opening in the new UI. So this is about the new UI. Okay, so this is the look and feel of new UI. In case now I will enable the manage package designer. I enable it, turn on. Once it is done, go and refresh the screen. You will see this message. Okay, let's close it, refresh this screen, close this one, again refresh it, and try to open the data raptors as we have enabled the manage package designer setting. So I will open one data raptor, for example this one, and this is the old UI. So I have shown you new and old UI, but that is in a developer free dev org which I created almost a year back. Why am I saying like this? Just 1 hour back I created new developer org, this one. Okay, in this new developer org, if I similarly go to the setup and find OmniStudio settings, I don't find any setting for manage package designer enable or disable. What I mean to say, the org which I created year back, I do have this setting where I can enable or I can switch between new and old. The same setting I don't have now in recently created developer org. You see here, we don't have setting. So what's the conclusion? Here we have to use the old UI only. We cannot switch to new UI. As per the information I do have, as per I can see currently in the Salesforce org. So let me summarize the things parallelly. This is the old UI. This is the new UI. This is about the setting what I have shown you. And this is the summary. I have shown you about the old UI where I do have settings toggle between old to new, new to old. But the recently created now free developer org has the old UI that I have shown you. This is the old UI, and this org don't have any setting to change the UI. Okay, so there is no setting here. Then third scenarios about the trial org. If I show you the trial org, this is the trial org. This is also I created an hour back only to show you the recent changes. In the trial org, the first of all, there will be new UI by default. Okay, this is a new UI. I just created, sorry, I opened the existing data mapper and this is a new UI. If I go to the setting again here, there is no settings for manage package designer. We don't have any toggle to change to new to old, old to new. We have only one, that is a by default new UI, and that's what I mentioned here. Another point, if you want to practice business rule engine, a decision matrix, expression set, etc., then that option is not available in the developer org. For that, you need to have the trial org. If you go to the trial org and if you find here business rule engine, you will be able to find this lookup table, expression set, etc. The same will not be available in the free developer org. So that's about this video. And in sandboxes, you will have the settings. Again, it may vary from org to org. If you want to use the old UI, I think at this moment you can request Salesforce support and you can keep the old UI, or not. There will be a setting to switch old to new, new to old. If you have any doubt about this UI or for the business rule engine, please mention the same in the comment. I will try to help you. If you found this information useful, kindly subscribe the channel, like it, share it in your network so that they will also aware about the settings and orgs. Also, let me know the topic. If you want to create, if you are facing any issue, if you want to create me video on it, definitely I will create it. Let me know in the comment section. From next video onwards, we will continue with our mini project. Thank you for watching.